calling. Oh, hey, oh, yeah, me telling. I body your style, never small thing. Look in your eyes, know you want me. Yeah, yeah. Oh, boy, you make me feel like saying, babe. Oh, love the way you talk with your eyes. Got me feeling alright.
Hey my loves, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time, hi, you are so welcome to the channel. Today's video is brought to you by HerGivenHair, okay? And today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I actually achieved these two hairstyles using the half wig. Okay, so this is what the wig came in. It's such a sleek package, and I'm sure we can all agree to that. So it also came with like this extra clips just in case. I'm going to go ahead and style my hair, and then we'll get into the wig. So the first style which I'm going for is the classic. We all know this style, so it's basically just blending your natural hair into the wig. So first of all, I needed to create some sort of curls, so I decided to go in for like a twist out, right? And this is just me applying the Aunt Jackie's curling cream, okay, just so that I can create some sort of curls and twists to kind of match the texture of the wig, if that makes sense. Okay, so yes, I went in with flat twists. As you guys know, I always love my flat twists. They're easy to do, easy to achieve, and yeah, so it helps me in getting my curls defined, ready for the wig. Okay, so yeah, so this is what it is looking like right now, and I'm just gonna twist this all the way to the end and do this for this section which I have created. This is gonna be like a side part look. You can do cornrows if you want, if that's what's comfortable for you. You can do cornrows, you can do like a regular single strand twist, or you can do flat twist, whichever one works for you. So this is what the back is looking like, and that's where we're gonna attach the wig to. So you can braid it down if you want, but this is what mine is looking like. Okay, so yeah, so now that this is done, I did go ahead to dry this immediately using my hair blow dryer. But if you are someone who wants to do this overnight, feel free to do that, and your hair is gonna dry overnight. But I went in with a blow dryer to kind of set that down, and then also when I had to do my makeup. Okay, so this is what we're looking like, and then we can now go into the installation process of the wig. So this is my favorite feature of this wig. It has to be the invisible hairline. Okay, so this makes it look natural, and people would not be able to tell easily that this is a wig because it kind of blends into your natural hair. But then again, this is what it looks like. It comes with a lot of clips inside, and because this is a very versatile wig, you can also switch up the styles. You can use it as a ponytail if that's what works for you, and you can use it as a half wig with some natural hairstyles, and you can also just use it like a clip-in, and then you use your hair to just, you know, like blend into the wig, which is what we're doing right now. Okay, so again, I went in with some you know, curling cream from Aunt Jackie, and I just used that to define and kind of stretch the hair out, soften it a little bit, and this is what it's looking like. And then I went ahead to separate my curls just so that we can blend it into my natural hair. Protective style, because of how, you know, you're literally just blending your hair into the wig, right? And so this particular hairstyle is a very low tension. You don't have to use any glue. There's little to no tension on your edges. So if you have wig edges and you're like, oh, you don't want to use laces and all of that, then this would be like a very good alternative for you. Okay, so it's easy to achieve. All you need to do is just kind of blend your natural hair into the wig. It might take a while for you to get that blend in, but you need to make sure that it is seamless. And yeah, so take your time, make sure it blends in. And this is for my girlies who, you know, just want a quick fix. The next style which I'm gonna give is something that will take longer to achieve, but this is like a classic quick look that you might want to go for if you are rushing off, or you're going to work like an everyday look basically, because it's pretty easy to achieve, right? So this is the first style which I wanted to show you guys. Although we have like so many other styles, you guys, you can literally, it's such a versatile wig, you can play around with it. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys two ways in which you can style this wig from HerGivenHair. Okay, so this is the first one, and this is the outcome. Okay, so now we're on to my favorite part, which is styling, like actually styling, right? So guess who actually went and washed off the product from the first style? Me. and then I went ahead to blow dry my hair as well. But this is what we're working with, right? So I needed to do that because the style we're going for, we're gonna be using more gels, but I just wanted to have like a clean, you know, base to work with, right? So this is what we're working with. I've kind of created like a front section, and this is a section which we're gonna be using to create the flat twist which you guys saw in the beginning. So I'm gonna put that away and then gently start creating parts. So now with this one I decided to go for 10 equal, I want to say equal, but yeah, 10 parts of flat twist. Okay, so if you want to do like cornrows, you can actually do cornrows. If you want to do flat twist, you can do flat twist. You can literally just play around with it. So as usual, I always go in with my shine and jam, and then I'm just going to go ahead and just flat twist this whole section all the way to the back. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to take like this tiny rubber bands and just secure that. Okay, just tie it a couple times just so that it is secure, and then you're good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of the hair, and then we're going to be adding some extensions later on. Okay. Okay, so now that we are done with the front section, we have the flat twist installed, and now I can go ahead and add in some kinky extensions that look like my hair, just so that we can create like a longer twist and then put the braids or the beads in rather. So yeah, it's pretty easy. You just need to create like 2 strands of your hair from the hair that you already put away, and then just attach the natural hair extension and then just twist all the way down till the end. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys more just so that you guys can get a grip of what I'm trying to explain, right? But twist this all the way down to the end, and we're going to be attaching some beads later on. Okay, so yeah, now we'll get into this again. So you really just want to place the extension in between your 2 strands of hair and then start twisting. That's literally all you need to do. So place it in between and then start twisting, and make sure that your twists are firm just so that it does not loosen up. Okay, and yeah, so that is pretty much how I was able to install the flat twist and the regular twist. Okay, so to bead my hair, I use like some bobby pins, and I just pass it through that and then attach, or like just place the bead into the bobby pin, right, and then pull it out, so that way it acts like a crochet hook, if that makes sense. So just pull it out, take out the bobby pin, and then I just twist all the way just so that we can hide that extra braid or twist in there. So once I'm done with that, I'll just push down the other bead, and that kind of conceals it to a good extent. So again, just place your bead into the bobby pin and then just pull it through, insert the bobby pin, put your bead in there, okay, pull it through, and that's how I bead my hair. So it's pretty easy if you don't have like the beading needle or whatever they call it, right? This is a hack that you can use. And yeah, so this is how I was able to form this look basically. And if you do not want to do your edges, that's fine, but I decided to go in and just define my edges a little bit. And yeah, that was pretty much it about this look. Now this look is my favorite, okay, as opposed to regular clip-ins with, you know, like a leave out. So I really love this one. It's giving African princess. I love the beads. It adds more it gives it more depth. It gives the look a sort of, I don't know, how do I explain this? It's just so beautiful. And I actually enjoyed creating this hairstyle because of how everything just turned out. And again, look at the extensions which we attached, which is from HerGivenHair as well. It is bulky. If you are someone who loves to go for like the big afro looks, then this is the wig for you, because yes, it is full, it is bulky, and yeah, a little bit of sprinkling of, or like spraying of water, as well as some conditioner. Yeah, you need to condition the hair as well, and then you get this soft looking natural hair wig. Okay, so I'm totally in love with this look. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section, but I'm sure you love it as well, and you love it as much as I do. But yeah, so all the details to this wig would be in the description box. Again, it's from HerGivenHair, and I'm so grateful to have styled this wig. I absolutely love how it turned out. But yeah, let me know your thoughts down in the comment section, guys. Is this a style that you're gonna go for? What you love about this look? Let me know down in the comment section. Like this video if you enjoyed it, please, and subscribe if you are new to the channel to keep getting content like this. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.